Chief Minister Nongthongpon Biren appeals to public and traffic police to cooperate with each other in bringing road safety. Armed miscreants burned more than 10 houses at Makan Kuman village in Senapati district in the wee hours. And devotees worship Vishwakarma and Lainingthau Pisatau, presiding deities of all craftsmen and architects with religious fervor. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibete Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongpon Biren has appealed to public to cooperate with the traffic police in the initiatives to ensure road safety. He also appealed to traffic police and state police not to infuriate public while executing their duties. Chief Minister Biren was addressing the gathering of a road safety awareness program held on the theme Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 at ISBT in Dulaland today. State Transport Department, Traffic Control Wing and Rotary Club Imphal jointly organized the program. The Chief Minister expressed apprehension that the rate of road accidents is increasing in the state. He maintained that road accidents are caused mainly by reckless drivers without helmets and genuine driving license. Biren urged officials of the relevant department to be alert while issuing driving license, as some illegal Rohingyas from Myanmar are residing in the state holding fake Aadhaar cards. He also urged traffic police personnel to look out for second-hand cars without proper documents brought from outside the state. The Chief Minister also disclosed government's plan to replace diesel auto rickshaws by e-rickshaws to combat environmental pollution. Chief Minister Biren led top civil and police officials, government employees and students in taking a pledge to abide by traffic rules. He also distributed breath analyzers and megaphones to traffic police personnel in the event.
License piriba sahi sudaba ngana suyajal ga piramiba adugumba potune adunani aikoi mi kharasu phagi bane suspend ga tawgi bane khitang di khangsunoina ado hujikti aina sumta da license ka pibasi yam niyom sumna pire na tare ado kanagumbana na taingsadana loan na thumna pirambagi information lairagadi adusu adum khoi government gi di mayam khangi dungai afaba tawbagi na reward fataba tawbagi na jail ani sinatna upai lairoi tangai fadaba niyom khara ngaksi hujikti aigi mota di khara di amna public si am bhap tarabra ina khala mayam public ta ina hajari basi police na tawriba traffic na tawriba tawraiba port masi saubi gano lana lobi gano traffic police tu gi hingna na bana.
Miscreants suspected to be volunteers of Maram Kulan Circle Union destroyed and burned more than 10 houses in Makan Kuman village area under Mao Maram subdivision in Senapati districts in the wee hours today. According to Impact News sources, miscreants armed with assault rifles set ablaze houses along the national highway at around 4 a.m. Denouncing the attacks as inhuman and barbaric act, volunteers of Makan People Organization has restricted all vehicular movement on the National Highway 2 Imphal-Dimapur Road to book the culprits within 24 hours, failing which they want to continue the call for indefinite ban on the highway. It further warned that the government will bear sole responsibilities for any untoward incidents. Local Minister and Kaisi, along with representatives of Senapati district, civil bodies and Senapati's police, inspected the site. Devotees worship Vishwakarma and Lainingthau Pisatau, presiding deities of all craftsmen and architects across the state today. Craftsmen and mechanics have devoted the day to cleansing the instruments and tools and offering them before the deities for prosperity in their business. Devotees in the state observed the day with religious fervor since early this morning by holding feasts and other ceremonial rituals. Staff of Impact TV also observed the day.
Visit out like Matamzida, two number Kalhaning, Mayamzida, Suba number Yauder, Kadunda, Pangtopanga, Suba number can be a day, Nom the Nom de Mayamzu, Nungaiba, Tangulitaba, Punchi, or can have the hygienic.
Nga thong cái tổ, muốn là con nên ngoài về thì phao ra làm nè, coi cái khulai cái guru này nó lão này, cũng mấy giờ làm cái đó mà ăn đó mà rau ngoài này đúng cái nó đâu vậy. Siya to binawa adune pame
akoy kuchai ba thawak kuning da tawdo kuning da heising ba ide ma kuchai ba adugi dongta masi bisarka manumin sida kuchai ba chakti bina bi
Ibimshana Tailoring House in Kwakatil Nganapithong also worship Biswakarma and Lining Thau Pisatau, Architect of Gods, today. The Tailoring House, conferred with State Award 2010, is also a vocational training center. Employees of the Tailoring House offered flowers and fruits at the portrait of Viswakarma and Pisatau on the occasion. One Mutum Jamenjoy from Jiribam Kunjabon has repaired two deplorable culverts on Jiri Tipaimuk Road neglected by the government at Daibong Karong and Chingdong Lekai in Jiribam district. Speaking to media at the community hall of Chingdong Lekai, Jamenjoy stated that he sponsored the repair to ease plights facing the local residents, as the relevant department has failed to hear the repeated pleas for the same. BJP Manipur Pradesh team, led by party president K.S. Bhavananda, distributed food items to patients of Jenims Hospital on the occasion of 69th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi today. The distribution was a part of nationwide Sewa Saptah program, which was launched on September 14th.
Akwina Prime Minister Narendra Modi numit chamani sigi manungda mana tawgiba thabuk thorum mayam adaga mana magi mamangi termda tawgiba thabuk thorum mayam du akwina mayam praja mayam da jo khangan ba aduga magi message handak mana yam kanna thawa yaunu tawriba single use plastic se si na nabagi thabuk thorum siga akwina mayam da sandokpa aduga water conservation gi matang da sigi jo akwina mayam da message piba moina last exhibition am jo koi tawdori tarik 29 message da magi tawgiba achievement mayam si.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi performing puja rituals at Sardar Sarovar Dam and at Guru Deshwar the temple in Gujarat on his 69th birthday. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi performed puja rituals to welcome the Narmada water at Sardar Sarovar Dam at Kevadia in Gujarat today. Earlier, Prime Minister reached Kevadia at Dam site in Narmada district and visited various ongoing projects at Sardar Sarovar Dam and the Statue of Unity. Gujarat government is celebrating Namami Devi Narmade Mahotsav throughout the state to mark the historic overflowing of Sardar Sarovar Dam, the lifeline of the state, at its maximum height. Namami Devi Narmade Mahotsav is also coincided with the 69th birthday celebrations of Prime Minister Modi today. On his 69th birthday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi offered prayers at Garudeshwar Dutt temple in Narmada district. The Bharatiya Janata Party is also celebrating Seva Saptah or the Service Week, which began on September 14 to mark Prime Minister Modi's birthday. BJP leaders greeted him and hailed him as a visionary leader and statesman. Jammu and Kashmir administration today booked National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah under Public Safety Act to maintain law and order. 83-year-old Dr. Abdullah is currently detained at his residence in Srinagar. Officials said the residence has been converted into and designated as a sub-jail with security arrangement by Special Services Group. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren appeals to public and traffic police to cooperate with each other in bringing road safety. Armed miscreants burned more than 10 houses at Makhan Kuman village in Senapati district in the wee hours. And devotees worship Vishwakarma and Lining Paukisata, presiding deities of all craftsmen and architects with religious fervor.